finally nabuksan na natin, guys. Medyo madikit yung sa isang flap eh, no? So here's the Rapoo VH200 up. Okay, so release natin yung box. There it is. Kita nyo? It comes with a manual. Okay, we'll read that later. And of course the actual headset. So let's remove it. So mukhang maganda, no? Makapal yung wire. Okay. There's the headset and the microphone jack. Tapos this is for, you know, the USB. Hindi siya yung tie wire lang ginamit, no? Meron talaga siyang ano ba? Strap wire. Okay? So that you can use. Yan yung actual headset. Mukhang ito yung nasa ulo. So that should be very comfortable sa head. Microphone. Okay? So I assume, ayan, you're supposed to wear it like that. Okay. Volume adjust. I think this is for the different lights or maybe the power. Yun lang yung ano niya, no? Okay. So yun lang. So ito yung microphone niya. Mahaba naman siya. So okay. So we'll test it out. We'll plug it in here. Okay. Asa ng audio port ko. Ang problema, ang laptop ko, isa lang ang port. Isang jack lang. Okay, it doesn't use the double port. So you'll need one of those if you're using my laptop na katulad sa akin, you'll need an adapter yung para from 2 ports magiging 1 port na lang siya. Meron ako nung dati somewhere here. I'm not sure where I put it. Ang dami kasing cord dito sa mesa ko na to eh. So anyway, as you can see, umilaw na siya. Okay? Yung sinaksak ko. So nag-iiba yung colors niya. So when you press it, may nangyari ba? O yan o. So this is the on and off switch for the lights. Okay. So naging red, black. Diba? So I don't think we'll be able to test it right now. We can test the sounds while it's loading up later. Okay. So yan, nag-on na po yung laptop ko. We'll see. So yan, that's the VH200 from Rapoo. Ayun, nakasuot na ako ngayon. It's here. Para makita niyo yung fit. Maganda yung sa tenga niya. Ang gusto ko, dahil pasok. Yung tenga ko malaki. Pero pasok na pasok siya. So the mic is sakto lang naman yung layo. Microphones are supposed to be about 1 to 2 inches away from your mouth naman talaga. That's from the call center point of view. I used to work in a call center. So, yan o. Maganda siya. Feel na feel ko. Umiilaw-ilaw pa. We'll try the volume now once my PC turns fully on. Oh, the problem is I don't have any videos on my laptop. I don't have any audio pala, Sorry guys. It will take too long to load. So hi guys, we're already testing it. Lapit natin tong headset dito sa phone, So, I don't know kung may narinig kayo, We'll find out later.
So how did it start?
So that's the full volume na. It's from one of the old videos that I have for an interview sa Cafe Yagam. I'm with Azrael and Ted there. Si Azzy ata yung nagtatanong. So it's okay. I like it. Very comfortable yun sa ulo. Yung band na to yun yung sumasalo ng ulo mo eh. Tapos the rest, lang to, nakaangat lang eh. Okay, so design lang yata ito nakaangat na to. No? Okay. So again, the microphone is retractable. You can push it inside if you don't want to use it. Okay. Yan. Tapos the volume is here and this is the lights control. So if you turn it on or turn it off. So hindi siya long press, it's just one click. Okay? So this is the VH200 Pro from VPro of Rapoo. You can get it in Silicon Valley, PC Express, or Complink. It's about 1,500 pesos. It's soft also. Sabi nito isa. Okay? So thanks guys. Bye! Try it out for yourself. Maganda oh. Halos wala na ako narinig sa labas.